Welcome to our instructional video on solving inequalities. In this video, we will walk through the step-by-step process of solving the inequality. 6c minus 5 is less than or equal to 19. We will provide both the inequality notation and interval notation forms of the solution. Let's get started. To solve the inequality, 6c minus 5 is less than or equal to 19, we start by isolating the variable c. First, we will eliminate the constant term on the left side of the inequality, which in this case is minus 5. To do this, we add 5 to both sides of the inequality. This maintains the balance of the inequality, because adding the same number to both sides does not change the relative values. On the left side, we have 6c minus 5 plus 5. The minus 5 and plus 5 cancel each other out, leaving us with 6c. On the right side, we have 19 plus 5, which equals 24. Now the inequality is transformed to 6c is less than or equal to 24. At this point, we have finished the first step. The updated inequality is 6c is less than or equal to 24. Now let's move to the next step to further isolate the variable c. To further isolate the variable c, we now need to eliminate the coefficient 6 that is multiplying c. To do this, we divide both sides of the inequality by 6. This maintains the balance of the inequality, because dividing both sides by the same non-zero number does not change the relative values. On the left side, we have 6 times c, and we divide this by 6. 6 divided by 6 equals 1, so we are left with just c on the left side. On the right side, we have 24 divided by 6. 24 divided by 6 equals 4. Now the inequality is transformed to c is less than or equal to 4. This is the final step. So the solution to the inequality is c is less than or equal to 4. In interval notation, this solution is represented as the interval from negative infinity to 4, including 4. This interval is written as negative infinity comma 4, and we use a square bracket next to number 4 to indicate that 4 is included in the interval. So the inequality solution in interval notation is negative infinity comma 4, and the square bracket is next to number 4. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.